Hello everyone, I am Ganesh Gadekar and I am excited to present my project, that is Goodcabs Data Insight and Performance Analysis. This is a part of the Core Basics Resume Project Challenge 13, and I would like to thank whole Code Basics team for providing this opportunity. Let's dive into the today's agenda. So we will see overview of a Goodcabs, then the objectives of this project. Also we will see the key steps followed in this project. Then then we will see the data sources and tools used in this project. Also I will walk you through the live dashboard. Then we will see some data insights and recommendations. And lastly we will conclude the project. So let's start with the overview of Goodcabs. Goodcab is a cab service company dedicated to providing reliable transportation solutions. It is established 2 years ago, focusing on the Tier 2 cities across India. It is committed to empowering local drivers to earn a sustainable living in their hometowns. It is currently operating in 10 Tier 2 cities across India. Then it has a passenger-centric focus that it ensures excellent service quality to enhance passenger satisfaction. And the key objectives of analysis. Primary goal of this project is provide actionable insights to the chief of operations to drive growth and enhance passenger satisfactions. And the key focus areas are as follows: analyze trip volume to identify top and bottom performing cities, compare weekday versus weekend demand patterns across cities, evaluate passenger satisfaction through average ratings. Then analyze repeat passenger behavior, frequency and city contributions. Compare actual performance metrics against monthly targets. Assess revenue growth rates and city-wise contribution. Recommend strategies for improving performance based on tourism versus business demands. Explore partnerships opportunities and emerging mobility trends. Then the key steps followed in this project. So first, data understanding. This includes data understanding of metadata and fact and dimension tables. Then data preparation. This includes data extraction, data cleaning. Then data transformation. This includes creating DAX measures, data loading. Then data visualization, and lastly we have insights and recommendations. So the data sources and tools used in this project are: there are 2 databases and 8 tables. First, trips DB. This database contains both detailed and aggregated data on trips, passenger types, repeat trip and day types. This database contains 5 tables. Then the next database is targets DB. This database holds Goodcabs monthly targets for each city, including goals for trip counts, new passenger acquisition and average passenger ratings. This database contains three tables. Then tools used for in this project are Power BI to design interactive dashboards and perform data visualization. And we have used SQL for data extraction, some transformation and ad hoc queries. And then we have used Power Query to clean and transform data for analysis. Then we have used Canva to create visually appealing presentations and slides. And so we have some provided the answers for some business requests as per the requirement, and that we have provided in the GitHub. So you can means in the last slide you can follow the GitHub link for ad hoc analysis queries. Now we will walk through the live dashboard. So we have created 4 report pages. That is, first one is revenue, then city, passenger and targets. The revenue report page analyzes revenue growth and contribution by city, month, day type and passenger type. Then city report uncover trip trends and pattern across cities to identify top performing locations. Passenger report discovers the insights into repeat passenger behavior and their impact on performance. Then target that evaluate performance against targets to track and optimize goals. So we will see one by one. So first is revenue. Here you can see the key metrics are like total trips, total distance, revenue, average fare per kilometer, average trip distance, then average rating, passenger rating and driver rating, then max distance, then total minimum distance. Also we have provided some slicers, that is passenger type, day type, month, city, and we have some chart, visually appearing charts. Then we go for city. Here also we have some key metrics and slicers, and we have the charts to show the total trips by city and day type, then total trips by city and months, then top and bottom cities with total trips. Then also we have here the passenger ratings. Then we will go for passengers. Here we have calculated the top cities by passenger, means repeat passenger rates, and also the top months with repeat passenger rate. Also the here it is the seat means passenger frequency contribution along all the cities. Then we have the target report. Here we have the target of 429k total trips, but we have achieved 426k total trips. And the new we have there was the target of 185k new passengers, but we achieved the target to the 177k. And here it is the trip achievement KPIs, means city wise and month wise. Here you can see the average passenger rating versus target average passenger rating, then actual trips versus monthly target trips, and new passengers versus monthly target new passengers. These charts are flexible, means you can see the city wise and also you can see the month wise the charts. So now we will go for the insights. So first this was the revenue report. So we will see the insights with revenue. So the cities with high revenue generation are Jaipur, Kochi and Chandigarh. So Jaipur has generated highest revenue, that is 37 million, and Kochi is on the second 17, followed by Chandigarh, that is 11 million. And the cities who have which have generated the lowest revenue are Coimbatore, then Vadodara, followed by Mysore. So the lowest revenue generated is 3.5. Then we have top months by revenue. So February is the topmost in the revenue generation, then March, and followed by January. So here are some another insights, that the Jaipur has the highest average fare, that is 483.92 rupees, while Surat has the lowest, that is 117.27 rupees. Then the Jaipur has the longest average trip distance, that is 30 km, while Surat has shortest, that is 11 km. Then the revenue generated on weekdays is 56%, while on weekend it is 44%. And the revenue by month, so June month generated the least revenue, and while the February has generated most revenue. Then this is the city report, and we will see insights from this city performance report. So the cities with most trips are, again Jaipur is the top in this also. We have seen that the Jaipur was top in the revenue generation, and also it has the top most trip counts, that is 77k. Then on second it is Lucknow, that has 64k trips, and on third it is Surat. And the cities with least trips are Mysore, Coimbatore, followed by Visakhapatnam. Then the cities with high passenger and also with driver ratings. So Mysore, Jaipur, Kochi has the most passenger satisfaction, and we need to focus on the Surat, Lucknow, Vadodara for the passenger satisfaction. Then the weekday trips are highest in Lucknow, followed by Surat and Jaipur. And weekend trips are highest in Jaipur, followed by Kochi and Indore. So we can observe that the Lucknow, Surat are the business focused cities, and the Jaipur, Kochi, Indore are the tourist cities. Then Jaipur peaks in February and January month and hits its low in June. So June month shows the low count in most cities, but February, April, May are high demand in most cities. So then the repeat passenger analysis. Here are some insights from the passenger report. So the city with highest repeat passenger rate is Surat, Lucknow, Indore. So this, and the lowest repeat passenger rate are low for Mysore, Jaipur, Chandigarh. Here means we need to focus to means retain the repeat passengers. Then months with high repeat passenger rates are May, June, and April. So Visakhapatnam, Jaipur, Mysore has the highest repeat passengers for 2 trips and 3 trips. Then Vadodara, Surat, Mysore, Coimbatore has significant count for 4 trips, 5 trips and 6 trips. And the factors influencing repeat passenger rate are as below, that is the average fare per trip. Competitive and affordable fares encourages repeat uses. Also passenger ratings influence the repeat passenger rating. Higher satisfaction levels reflected in positive ratings drive repeat customers. Then the insight, we will see the insights from actual versus target report. So Jaipur leads with the 13.9% in trip targets, indicating strong performance. And the Lucknow, Vadodara lags behind the trip target with deficit of 10.70% and 14.60%. Then Surat and Lucknow have more new passengers than target, but the passenger rating is low, so we need improvement in service quality. And Mysore, Jaipur, Kochi has higher passenger rating but need to focus on marketing strategies and new campaigns to attract new passengers. February, May, March has chased the trip targets, while June lag behind trip target by 11.34%. Then April is only a month to cross new passenger target, while March lag behind with the lowest by 16.404%. So here we will see the some recommendations. So we have 3 categories of recommendation. So first is performance improvement, then the operation, and there are some recommendations to improve the overall growth. So first we will see the performance. So we can have the dynamic pricing, and we can adjust fares during peak demand hours and local events to maximize our earning. Then we can have some subscription plans, that is so introduce loyalty memberships with exclusive offers to repeat passengers. Sorry, 1 second. And the third one, we can introduce corporate partnerships, that is we can collaborate with businesses for the employee transport and bulk bookings. To improve operations, we can introduce driver training, means we can take regular sessions to boost service quality and operational safety. Then we can have the incentives for excellence, bonuses for drivers with top ratings and low cancellation rates. Then we can have route optimization. So here we can use data analytics to minimize idle time and fuel uses. Now we can improve the overall efficiency by launching features like fare split, pre-scheduling and real-time tracking. Also we can introduce eco-friendly vehicles for sustainable growth, and we can run the campaigns tailored to the city specific needs and events. So the conclusion from all the project is that Goodcabs has made significant stride in tier 2 cities. Analysis reveals opportunity to enhance performance and passenger satisfaction. And then implementing recommendations will position Goodcabs for sustained growth in 2024. So here you can scan for the live dashboard and the GitHub repository. So thank you, and let's drive forward together.